Hello, I am Dr. Bunsen Honeydew, and this is my assistant, Beaker. Beaker! Here, we are going to demonstrate Mr. Stephen Sharp Nelson playing his cello for a new stunt. The piano guys are filming in a street with heavy traffic, but with all of the traffic driving by, a car swerves to avoid an accident where Stephen is playing, and his steel cello is in the street. He drops his steel cello and jumps out of the way, but the car drives over his cello, as seen here. The 0.2-inch thick steel stunt cello was analyzed in ANSYS structurally with a distributed load of 600 pounds. Beaker!
You ain't stopping us now!